I'm losing corn.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. And then it doesn't roll anymore. See, and it stays put. And it's not rolling all over your working space. That's a nice chop. But that's what you want and need.
Yes. Smoking so much. Will it trigger the fire alarm?
Come. Please. You can tell that it's interesting, so most of the water evaporated. And it starts to pop. And you can smell sweetness. It caramelizes a little. You can tell that the smell really changed in the last 30 seconds.
Can we eat it now? Oh.
Be courageous. And now you feel the urge to turn it. Let go.
Waiting for a big pop. Oh. Wait. This is yellow. You like warm white? This is warm white. This is white. This is yellow. Warm white.
Yeah. That's a good portion. Rest for us?